Hi guys, it's Chantal from Refuge Cafe. How are you? It's been a little while. I am here to join the collaboration with Tracy Fox Creative for Once Upon a Creep for Creep on June. And I am day 27. So I started creating this and then I realized I wasn't filming. So I did a couple little things here. And I'm just going to show you the little file folder I decided to do. It's kind of like a little book, sort of, with the little creatures because I just thought they were so cute. So I used this file folder. Let's see if I have it close by so I can show you. So it was this file folder, but my ink was out. So I used that and I created like a tiny little book. And then I used the inside and I just sewed them. So there was creature number 1. And then I decided to do these 2 for the inside. I was supposed to be filming, but I didn't. So the last couple ones we'll do together. I realized after. And then in the middle, we've got this little one. And then I decided to keep this area plain. Well, I just stamped on it so that you guys have whoever, if I ever use it as a place to maybe jot notes or write little things, I've got a spot for writing. And then these were the ones I was making, and then I realized that I wasn't filming. So I've got those little guys over here, and we'll just kind of put it together. And hopefully I don't knock everything over when I sit. Because, yeah, here we are. Okay, so I've got this little one that I put together. I used the background that's like for the box, if you've seen, and then I've got the little mousey, and I thought it was just so sweet. So I think this one's gonna go back here, down there, and I'm just using regular glue here. Sorry, I'm kind of off camera. And then I'm going to put this little guy over here, and I really love using like stitching for sewing to give a little bit of depth. And then I've got this one, I just stapled it. So Grim Wood, one of the little labels, and then I had this little guy, and I just thought it was super cute, and I just thought they would go well together. And then you still have a little bit of journaling space up here as well. So I think I'm going to glue this one right there since it's already prepared. I hope you guys are all well. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm hoping that you guys enjoy this little make. I sure did enjoy creating it as well. And then on the back, I'm going to glue this little hat. I just realized, oops, that I hadn't glued it. And then on the back, I'm going to finish it with little red. I just thought it was a cute little one. And this is just Tim Holtz scraps that I had just laying around, so I figured I'd use it just to contrast, because I found that it was very dark, this one, you know. So I wanted to add maybe this one first. Here's what I'm thinking. And then this little guy is just the cutest. And then I'm thinking I'm going to add little red because I just think it's cute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go right there, and I'm going to sew a little bit here and a little bit there to give it a little bit of depth. And I'll be right back. You'll probably hear me, or I'll just pause it real quick. And just like that, it's all sewed. So I put a little bit of stitching here, a little bit there, and a little bit at the top here. So I think I'm going to finish the little book like so. Just wondering if I should I had these little tickets I've had forever, and they're in reds. And I just figured they're kind of like more of a, not quite the red that I want, but that's okay because I've used it throughout the book. Right here and a little bit here. So it kind of works with the little bits of kind of reddish purple in the background of that, like here, it kind of works with it as well. And over here, I did not put any, but I think it's super cute. So we're going to just put this over here maybe. And then, what do we think? Maybe not. I don't know. I kind of like it plain. Maybe we'll just glue it like that. And then it'll be all done. And I'll just show it really quickly. Just a little bit more of a close-up. And what a fun little project. I'm sorry I did not record it from the beginning, but it's okay. And here's the front. It opens like so. And then this one is in the middle. And then we have these two little cuties. And then we finish it off with this one. So I hope that you enjoyed. And I hope that you're having so much fun with Crepe on June this year. Bye for now.